One of my neighbours is having a bonfire, so I've brought my pallet wood round and I'm going to get it burnt. It's quite nice in front of the fire actually. There you go, that's sort of that old rotten pallet wood burnt now, so that's good, isn't it? At least I cleared a bit of it up. Hello all, welcome back. Thanks for your comments and your subs. I've gained quite a few over the last couple of weeks, so thank you for subbing. I'm afraid you're going to have to bear with me for this time of year because obviously the weather and all that, so I'm doing stuff when I can basically. But yeah, right, as you saw or you may have seen before, my small compost bin lid blew off. So what I thought, I've got a couple of these straps that's on like a 1 ton bag jobby that I used to line the bin with. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to nail a couple of these on the top of the lid, then I'm going to nail some of this onto the pallet, but I'll show you what I'm going to do. I want to get on and dig this out, but this is like, it's quite rock hard and it's quite late in the day, so I'm going to have to do that when it starts to stop falling, because that is frozen at the moment. It's like a lot of the beds actually. Yeah, so like I say, I'm going to do this compost top actually. I've got my straps out. I cut one of them in half. Got a nail, a hammer, got some nails in my pocket. That's the top there, so I'll grab that out first. Oh, I've got it down here. Right. That's the end that I've been using to lift it up, because I left that little strap on there just for that. So these are the little pieces I'm going to use. What I'm going to do really is pin them on there. I've got some felting tacks, so I'll get them, pin them on there like that, both ends. I'm not going to measure it or anything, I'm just going to eye it up really. is what I've got now. So I've got a couple of tags on this top bit. Unfortunately I haven't got no more felting tags, so yeah, I'll get some of them when I need to. I've got some other nails I can use for that. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take it up here and basically I'm going to take this top off of this one and just nail them onto the top of here. Yeah, we'll give that a go, see what happens. I'm sure it'll be fine. That's another little something done that I don't have to worry about. But last time I never showed you inside this compost bin. This has got horse manure in it as well, and they were filled up at the same time as these ones. So I don't know how much this has dropped down because I haven't looked in here at all, to be honest. Yeah, a bit. Pretty much the same as the other ones. That looks a lot more moisture in there, to be honest, compared to this one. As you can see, it looks a bit more drier, but the grass is still growing. But anyway, what's this one like? Yeah, This one's pretty much the same as that other one, really. Like I say, it's been freezing. Right, very short one today, I'm afraid, but I can only do what I can do. So, as I've said, you'll have to bear with me in the weather and all that. But thanks for watching, commenting and subbing. If you haven't subbed yet, bell's down in that corner. Click on the bell, click on all, and you'll get my notifications. Right, catch you later. Bye.